Hi, today we're going to attempt this interval questions together based on the ABRSM grade 5 past year paper. There are 5 questions altogether and we're going to try to score a 10. Okay, shall we begin? Now that you're sitting for the exam online, just so you know, you're allowed to have a piece of paper with you for you to scribble on. Just show it into the camera before you take the exam. Now let's take a look at the question. We have E to C. Now E to C, the interval would be a sixth. I will look at it as an E major scale where C has a sharp. So E to C sharp is a major sixth part, and then it reduces a step to C natural, which will be a minor sixth. And then from here we can see that it's more than an octave, so it's a compound minor sixth. Next question, we'll take a look at this D sharp to a C natural. Now D to C is a seventh, and then I will assume that it's a D major scale in which C has a sharp. So from here, C sharp reduces a step to C natural, and D reduces a step to D sharp, and therefore it's a diminished seventh. Next question, we have F sharp to C sharp. Now I will assume that it's an F major scale. F to C is a perfect fifth, and then C moves up a step to C sharp and F moves up a step to F sharp. So anyhow, it's still a perfect fifth because they maintain their distance. Next, you are asked to write the higher notes to form the harmonic interval. So write down the letter names first. This is A. A seventh would mean that it goes to G major. So A major, G has a sharp in it. And that's it. So A, C, E, G, sharp. Next, augmented fourth, alright? Here you have B flat. B flat. In B flat major, E has a flat. So B flat to E flat is a perfect fourth. Now you increase this to E natural, it goes up a step, then it will be an augmented. So E, you have a key signature here, so give it an accidental, then you shall have an augmented fourth. That's all for today. I hope that you find this not too overwhelming and that you can do it on your own and score a perfect 10 as well. I'll see you in the next lesson with a different chapter. Thanks for watching. Bye.